Hey, oh my god, I'm so excited. Today I can unbox this year's Beautylish Lucky Box. Woohoo, I'm so excited. Lucky Bags are these beauty boxes you can order once a year from Beautylish, which is an online beauty which is an online beauty store. They have a lot of high-end beauty luxury brands, so I'm so excited to see what is in this year's box. I learned about these through Graveyard Girl, and yeah, I think this is my third lucky box. So let's take a look at what they look like this year. So it just explains that Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year thing. Basically, it's got a bunch of surprises inside. This thing retailed for $75 US plus I think 15 shipping and a little bit extra for like tax and duties. So let's open it up and see what is in. Usually I also save the box and the paper to be my yearly empties box as well, which is kind of a fun tradition. Just a lot of stuff packed in cardboard, so I'm gonna just set the box down so that I can feel around here. Also let me know if you ever get Lucky Bags, whether from Beautylish or somewhere else. And okay, this has a bunch of different things in it. Feels pretty large. So the first thing is, what is this? It's tiny. Are these matches? It looks like a matchbox. They're bobby pins. That's weird. So these are the matchbook bobby pins. I don't know, that's weird. It's from Popsuki, I guess. Packaging, Popsuki. I really thought it was matches at first. I'm gonna put all the prices down here since as I'm opening these things up, I don't actually know what the prices are. Let's see what item number 2 is. Looks like it's from Jouer, which I've never gotten anything from Jouer before. Nicely bubble wrapped. This is a powder highlight. It's got some lovely silver packaging. There's the highlight. Seems pretty nice. Nice. Last year I also got a Charlotte Tilbury highlight, which I really enjoyed. So yeah, this is powder highlight and skinny dip. Cool. Ooh, another Wayne Goss brush. Let's see what this is. This is number 13. It looks like maybe a cheek or highlight type brush. I got a Wayne Goss brush last year. A really skinny eye brush, which I love. I used it today. So I'm excited to have another Wayne Goss brush in my collection. It's super soft. And yeah, it seems like a good size. Seems nice and dense. I like a pretty dense brush. Next we have, oh my god, this is pretty exciting actually. I wonder what color it is. This is one of Hourglass's Ultra Slim High Intensity Refillable Lipsticks. And the color If Only, which I have no idea what color that will be. I know about these because I've seen them. Look how beautiful that packaging is. It looks like a cigarette thing where, like a mascara. It's cold to touch. And the color is kind of a dusty pinky color. It kind of reminds me of that Celeste lipstick I have. Let's throw it on. Smells a little bit rosy. Alright, that's nice. Kind of a boring color, but I guess it's a safe everyday. And what luxurious packaging. It's really heavy. I think this would be beautiful to like leave on your desk or have out on display. Still more. Next is a box of, it says coming soon, Beautylish. This is Wake Up Eye Serum, formulated with caffeine and pumpkin extract to brighten, firm, and depuff, by the brand Good Molecules. Oh. Cute little bottle. Let's give it a smell. It doesn't really smell like anything. Kind of almost looks like a hair oil or something. I guess I'll definitely give this guy a go. Last year for skincare, I got just a face wash and I really loved it. So I'm not too responsible at putting on eye creams every day, but we'll give that a go. Ooh, check this out. Oh my god. Here's an oldie, but I think it's a goodie. You see these all around the internet. This is from Anastasia, Beverly Hills, the Modern Renaissance palette, which has, of course, a ton, oh, it's velvety, has a ton of red shades, brown shades, kind of neutral shades. I think this is going to be just perfect for me. Even comes with a little two-ended brush. Wow. And yeah, I've never tried any of Anastasia's eyeshadow formulas before. So I'm excited to give this a go as well. I think that should probably be everything in the box. So to summarize, we got the Modern Renaissance eye palette, these weird random bobby pins, Wayne Goss brush, Hourglass Cosmetics lip product, Jouer highlight, and a eye serum from Good Molecules. So again, I will put the total cost of all the products I got down in the corner here, as well as list what I paid for it. Definitely let me know if you think it was worth the price that I paid for. Let me know if you got a Beautylish box or if you don't bother with these lucky type of boxes. I actually ordered one from ColourPop as well. I think that one was $20 US, so we'll give it a comparison compared to this guy. That one should be coming any day now. And yeah, I'm excited to explore and play around with these beauty products. So thanks for joining me for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below for more beauty content from me. I make new beauty videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Huge shout out to my patrons who help bring this content to you guys. Huge shout out to you for watching. And I will see you all in my next beauty video. Bye for now.